Now we are going to explain about the formal charge, and I am taking the molecule NO3 minus 1. So how to draw the Lewis dot structure and where we have to put this charge on the molecule. So let us explain. So in previous class I already explained about Lewis dot structure. So how to calculate valence electrons. The nitrogen belongs to 5th A group, so it contains 5 valence electrons, plus oxygen belongs to 6th A group, so it contains 6 plus 6 plus 6. Why? Because it contains 3 oxygen atoms. So plus 1. So total how many electrons? 18, 19. So total 24 electrons are there. Yes or no? Yes. So first we have to take the nitrogen and we have to take the oxygens. So we have to draw the single bond with each atom. So then we have to put the electrons to get octet electronic configuration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 electrons. So we got 24 electrons. But when we check the octet, the nitrogen has only 6 electrons. So it does not complete it octet. So due to that, these 2 electrons was shared and it forms a bond. So double bond O, single bond O and single bond O. So it forms a bond. So now the nitrogen was stabilized by getting octet. So we have to check the formal charge. So first I am checking this is the first oxygen and this is the second oxygen and this is the third oxygen, for which we got the formal charge. We have to calculate. The -1 was present on which atom, so we have to calculate that. So let us calculate the formal charge. So formula was formal charge. Formal charge is equals to number of valence electrons of atom, number of valence electrons of atom, minus lone pair of electrons minus bond pair of electrons divided by 2. This is the formula to calculate the formal charge. So this is known as bond pair electrons and these are known as lone pair electrons. So first we have to calculate the formal charge for this oxygen, whether the -1 is present or not. So we have to calculate that. So we can calculate the formal charge for first oxygen. So oxygen belongs to 6th A group, so it contains 6 valence electrons. So 6, number of valence electrons of atom is 6, minus lone pair of electrons. How many lone pairs are there? 3 lone pairs are there. So total how many electrons are there? 6 electrons, minus how many bond pair of electrons are there? 2, divided by 2. So we get 1. 6 minus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 6 minus 1, we get -1. So this oxygen has -1 charge. Okay. So by calculating like that, the second oxygen also will get -1 charge. So the nitrogen will get +1 charge. The -1 and +1 was cancelled. So the -1 is present on the second oxygen. So like this we have to draw the Lewis dot structure and we have to put the formal charge on the atom. Thank you.